Dominic, 4th, 5th and 6th of November, what's happening?
We have our open house, but more importantly, we have our UK launch of our new MX-520T PC7, which is obviously our big mill turn 5-axis.
Okay, and what's different about that machine? Who should be coming to see that?
Well, everybody really. I mean, obviously, there's two firsts on that. One turning on that size machine, and it's now got 7 pallets. So the MX-520 has always had 4 pallets, but we've double stacked. So we now, same footprint, no bigger footprint, 7 pallets.
Okay, and there's another machine as well that's going to be here, in amongst all the others that we can see
here.
here.
Yeah, of course.
But another new for you?
Another new, again, we're launching it. We have actually sold a couple already in the UK, but we're actually launching it at the Open House, which is our MAM 7270V with a 6-pallet system. It's a much larger machine within the MAM series, and again, it's on show for the first time at our Open House.
And it's not just obviously the subtractive, additive as well, and everything you see here.
Yeah, of course. We've obviously got an additive. Our additive showroom, our AMC will be open. Also, our Murata turning facilities open. So we'll have obviously the new Matsuuras, all the additive, and all the Murata range, all on show on the 4th, 5th and 6th of November.
I'll be here too on the 4th of November, but you heard it from Dom. 4th, 5th and 6th of November here in Coalville at the Matsuura Open House. You can register on the link below.